birthday! I made this. It is pretty. Papa is not here.
Happy birthday, my sweet girl!
Thank you, Mama. I love you.
Where is Papa today?
Where is Papa today? Papa went to work early.
This report must be done.
Papa will come home soon. Yes, he will be home. I am making a card for Papa. That is very sweet, Lily. Papa will love this card. Come home, Papa. Please. Papa did not see my card.
I am here, Lily. I am here.
Mama, does Papa know?
David,
What day is today?
Tuesday?
I think Tuesday.
I am done. Good night.
Good night, good night. Does he love me? This is me and Papa. Oh,
Hello, my dear. I am here. Grandma Nora, come in, please. Oh, sweet Lily. Poor child. Hello, my little Lily.
Grandma Nora. Papa forgot my birthday today.
I hear you. I hear you.
May I see your drawing, Lily? Yes. This is Papa and me. Your Papa loves you very much. Then why did he forget?
You wait here. I come back.
Okay, Grandma Nora.
Grandma Nora. Hello. Hello.
Hello, David.
It is her birthday today?
Yes, David. It is.
Lily, I am so sorry.
You forgot, Papa.
You are my most important person.
You are not naughty person.
I am? Yes, you are. Always.
Are we going to the kitchen?
Yes. Together.
Happy birthday, dear Lily.
This is the best birthday! Happy birthday, my Lily.